5 फरवरी को जहां अहले कश्मीर के साथ पूरी दुनिया में यकजहती का भरपूर इजहार किया जाता है, वहीं बरतानी मेंबरान पार्लियामेंट और फ्रेंड्स ऑफ कश्मीर के साथ वाबस्ता बरतानवी भी अहले कश्मीर को नहीं बोलते हैं। बरतानी मेंबरान पार्लियामेंट और फ्रेंड्स ऑफ कश्मीर के अहदेदार 5 फरवरी के हवाले से अपने पैगामात में अपने जज्बात और एहसासात का कुछ यूं इजहार करते हैं।
This is Tony Lloyd, Member of Parliament. This year in particular, I think we do remember the suffering of those in Jammu and Kashmir, those who've died, those in prison, those whose basic human rights have been torn away by the authorities in New Delhi. And we say to India, it's time now for India to respect those basic human rights to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. But we also remember that it's many years now since the United Nations said that the solution to the issue of Kashmir was the right of self-determination for the Kashmiri people. Let's this year say to the United Nations, say to the world community, now is the time to bring the suffering of the Kashmiri people to an end.
I'm Andrew Gwynn, I'm the Chair of Labour Friends of Kashmir, and I want to send my best wishes to the Kashmiri community here in the United Kingdom and across the world, and especially in Kashmir, on Solidarity Day for the 5th of February. It's a day when we remember the suffering of Kashmiris, the story of Kashmir over the past 70 years or more, and particularly remembering that the problems in Kashmir are not just parts of history, but they're part of the present too, and particularly those in Indian administered Kashmir who have been facing a brutal lockdown since August 2019.
My name is Hurriyat and I'm here to make sure the voice of Kashmir is heard. People are being massacred every single day. Young children are being snatched from their homes as we speak, and that's where they are forced to stay. They get tortured until their fragile bodies cannot take it anymore. Then there are the kids who stay in their houses waiting for their parents to return day and night. They wait and wait until the terrible truth breaks through their young hearts. They don't get to use their voice.